Hello class. DNA given by Watson and Crick, but it took long time to establish it as a genetic material. 1865 it started with Gregor John Mendel, who was known as father of the genetics, followed by the experiments on the chromosomal theory of inheritance by the Sutton and Boveri. T.H. Morgan worked on fruit flies or Drosophila belangusters to establish the linkage and crossing over and how the variations takes place, the position of the genes in the chromosomes, role of the homologous chromosomes, and the prophase 1 stage where the linkage and crossing over is taking place, meaning that the chemical nature of the genetic material, what nucleotides are present, and all that was established by that time period. Griffith was the first scientist who first tried to prove that there is a genetic material present in the chromosomes, or the DNA is present in case of pneumococci strains. The characteristic feature of this bacteria was having two different type of the strain. Those strains are affected by the presence of mucus layer. If that mucus layer is present or covering the outer surface of the bacteria, then they are known as smooth strain. And if this mucus layer is absent, then it is known as rough strain. Smooth strain, also known as S strain, having a presence of the capsule, were virulent, means they were causing the pneumonia and disease causing bacteria, while the rough strain was avirulent, R strain, where the absence of capsule is there and do not cause any type of the disease. Now what he did is he injected this S strain, the virulent one, to a mice in his experiment, and he found that mice suffered with the pneumonia and finally died. Then he injected R strain, or a virulent condition, in the mouse, and he found that that mouse was able to survive. Then he took S strain, but this time killed the bacteria by heating it, or the heat killed S strain bacteria were taken. Because of that, that mucus layer dissolved and the mouse was able to survive. Now, in the S strain, it was not able to survive, but heat killed S strain, it was able to survive. When he added this with the R strain, again in which the mouse was able to survive, the general hypothesis is it should be able to survive, but he found that the mouse was not able to survive when a mixture of heat killed S strain and R strain was used. Then he thought that there must be some factor or some region which changes the R strain to the S strain or the virulent, or there is some transformation is taking place, because heat killed S strain all alone was not causing the disease, R strain was not causing the disease, but when the combination was given, some transformation has been taken place and causing the S strain or the virulent one. At that time period, Griffith was not able to explain what was that. What is the genetic material or the transforming material which has converted it into that? So, for checking this transformation, a Midas effect is being taken. In this bag, number of flowers are present, and it was found that one of the flower which touches a metal, that metal changes into the gold. But how to know that which flower is doing that? So what is the simple Midas effect is touched by the all flowers. So one of the flower which is giving you the gold, you will get it separated from that. Similar method was used for the transforming principle given by the Griffith, and where you were having the S strain evoluent and R strain evoluent, and heat killed S strain you have used, and when mixture is taken, the transformation has taken place. This was given by Griffith, which was not having any conclusion that what is actually that factor, what is the genetic material which is causing this effect. So the three scientists, Avery, MacLeod and McCarty, they come forward with their experiment to show that the transforming material is present, and that transforming material or the genetic material is the DNA. During their experiments, they opted for the Midas effect, meaning that they used the factor that they introduced the different type of the enzymes which were digesting or degrading the certain type of the substances, and checking it whether in absence of those substances the change in the heat killed smooth strain to the R strain is taking place or not, or whether this Griffith conclusion can be obtained by it or not. So what they thought that in the Streptococcus pneumonia, they found that the major components are protein, RNA and DNA. So they have to find out whether the protein, RNA or DNA, which one is the genetic material converting or transforming the S strain. The D was having the similar composition that is of the DNA. So when A strain was added, A is added, again the mouse was not able to survive or able to survive. Similarly with the B and the C also they tested whether in their presence the mice will be able to survive or not. For that they used proteases. The characteristic features of the proteases is the proteases degrades the proteins. RNAs degrades the RNA, and DNAs degrades the DNAs. D was having the composition similar to composition of the DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. So in its present, what is happening, whether the transformation is taking place or not. First of all, they introduce the proteases to check the protein makeup, whether it is causing the effect or transformation. It was found that when the proteases was added, all that proteins is being degraded, but still the transformation is taking place, and S strain is transforming the R strain. Then they added the RNase enzyme. Now in that case, again the transformation is taking place. The S strain is being changed into the R strain, meaning that if the protein is not present, the result is the same, transformation is taking place. When you are adding the RNAs and no RNA now, then again it is the transformation is taking place. But when DNAs was added, the DNA degrades and no transformation is taking place. This experiment proved that it is the DNA which is actually causing the transformation. So DNA was considered as the genetic material which is passing from one generation to another generation and responsible for the characteristics. So this experiment by the Griffith was proven by McCarty, MacLeod and Avery that transformation takes place and it is due to the DNA, which is a genetic material.